MyPassion. So today I'm here in Phoenix, Bangalore to get my Vivo V15 Pro phone. I pre-booked this a week ago and today is March 6th, so I'm all excited to buy my Vivo V15 Pro phone. So the reason I came down to Vivo exclusive store is they are giving 6 months of screen damage protection free and 2 years of tempered glass free. They are giving anytime you can just come down and change it. They're also giving the laptop back free. Additionally, they are giving 5% discount on HDFC credit card, and also you have the EMI options available, 6 months EMI option available for any of the credit or debit cards, for any credit cards basically. So come, we'll get the phone. So this is the topaz blue color that you can see over here, Vivo V15 Pro. The triple rear camera and the pop-up camera that will eject from here. So this is how the blue looks like. You can see the gradient. Quite flashy, I feel, so that's the reason I went for the ruby red color. And this is the price and all that they have given over here, 28,990. The fingerprint sensor over here. And so you can see the pop-up camera over here. You can see the way the camera is being popped up. The G is doing the unboxing of the ruby red color that I have chosen for Vivo V15 Pro.
On the phone, sir.
This is the phone. So you can see the color of this, the ruby red. On the side, bottom. It's quite slim, the phone, that I feel, and it's not that quite bulky to the hand as well. So if you hold it, so it's like good, your fingers and all are like properly set to the phone, and you get a nice grip to that also. Just switch on this one. And here it is. Okay, meanwhile we can see what all the box contains.
This is the box.
So this is the cover, the premium cover that Vivo is providing. So this is only for this store, right? And if you get in Amazon, will not get this kind of cover.
No, you get it. Same. Yeah, box. It's a box so you get.
Okay.
Second. Yeah.
So we are doing the setup over here.
Six two three 1683
Yeah. Wow, that looks really very nice. And it's quite smooth also.
You have SIM cards here? This is the earphone.
So this is the earphone, okay. And this is the dash charger, is it?
These are fast charging. Dual
Fast
jet
charge.
fast charger.
Okay.
This is the adapter. This is the adapter.
Okay.
It's normal SIM.
So I'm setting up the fingerprint for this phone. So it tells to hold your fingerprint over here. So I'm just holding it. Start inputting. So over here you have to just put the fingerprint, and it shows. You have to just move your fingerprint. You have to just move your thumb left, right, and also that your full thumb impression will just come. Okay, this is registered successfully. Let's see. I'm just clicking on the done over here. So let's see. So I'm going to unlock it. So if I just have to just put my finger over here, thumb, and it got unlocked. So we have put the case. So this is how it looks like after putting the case. So this is quite strong. This is made up of silicone. And you can see the camera over here, the triple rear camera. And also the pop-up camera can just come out of over here. So let me try. So I'll be showing you the camera, the pop-up camera specifically. So over here I just launched it, and you can see the pop-up camera that will come over here when I just switch on to that selfie mode. This is the selfie mode, and you can see how the pop-up camera just come up over here. If you again go back away from the selfie mode, again the camera you can see that it will close. So this is such a nice feature over here. World's first pop-up selfie camera. And you can see I'll just take up a selfie photo of mine. And you can see how it looks like. So you can see all the pictures and all the clarity is so cool. Just maximize it completely, so you can see the clarity of the picture. And the normal mode also, I just take one photo and just show you. So let me take this photo in the beautiful flower pot over here. And this is the photo. You can see all the details, and there is so much clarity in the photo even if you maximize it, even if you zoom it. Just see the clarity over here. This is in the full zoom, and you can still see the clarity in the image. So I'm really happy with this, the camera quality and all. Vivo has done a good job over here. And since I've taken from their Vivo store over here, I've also got this additional goodie over here. This is my laptop bag that we are giving along with this. So this we don't get in Amazon, so for this reason specifically I got it in the store also. So this store is in Phoenix, Bangalore. And this is the sales person, which is quite good, so you can just come out and read with them and just explain your.
So this is the
Okay. Ready? So this is what both the phones looks like. This is the one I got, the ruby red, and this is the topaz blue. So you can see the colors over here. You can just see topaz blue and ruby red. The other models over here, Vivo V11 Pro, which costs almost 24 over here. The Vivo V11.
क्या इसके साथ में क्या स्कीम है इसका? तो स्क्रीन में तो आपको बजाज में पे करते हैं।
So I'm taking my goodie bag as well, and this is my Vivo phone. So I'm very happy buying this. It's really worth buying. Okay guys, see you, bye.